Are you tired of pet hair all over your house, stuck in corners and hard to reach places? It's frustrating to clean up after your pets, especially when you have to get down and scrub every inch of the floor. Plus, using a regular vacuum takes forever, and those messy mop buckets are a pain to deal with. Introducing the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20, the best robot vacuum for pet hair. This little powerhouse sucks up dirt, crumbs, and all your pet's fur with a 7,000 PA powerful suction. It even mops while it vacuums. Plus, it comes with a hands-free all-in-one station that empties, washes, and dries your mop. No more messy cleaning. Get your eufy Omni C20 today and make cleaning effortless. Say goodbye to pet hair and hello to spotless floors.